Welcome once again my YouTube channel. Actually today is the last day Durga Puja and we are going to visit our place, I mean our local area, and we thought today we'll go, but from like 4:30, from 4:30 since 4:30 till now rainy, so we're bad luck and we're not able to go now. And what to do now? Where the weather is not good, so we are thinking within we are trouser only by happen with happen we are trying to go Durga Puja, to visit Durga Puja. And even my beloved student, the GKS, his name is GKS, you know him because always he is staying with me, and in my video also he is there.
Hi guys, from Navadia on 30th of September I came, and today we think that we will go and see the God and all in the Bonasura, so that the weather is not good and we are too bad luck. So but still we are making this video for you. In the weather is not good, but still we will go and we will room for you. See, we will room with short pants because of raining. See guys, the rain is still coming. What we should do? What is this?
We are thinking if we can go today, then we'll eat chicken leg piece, chicken lollipop, chicken biryani, etc. But bad luck. Durga Puja, but there is no electricity. Without electricity, we are sitting here.
Yes.
No electricity.
Guys, I'm not happy now. What should we do? Comment in. Okay. Here is. He has two guitar. What's the one guitar is? I don't know who he's keeping. Yeah.
Only 5 rupees I have.
We don't have money, bro. We don't have money. Only 5. Only 5. 5 rupees. 1 kela. 1 chasma.
Sister also 1 kilo.
काला काला चश्मा बंदर काला काला बंदर.
Thumbs up.
Here we can see properly, but you side. Why I want to go? I don't want to stay here. I'm so angry now.
No electricity, guys. What to do? Even more.
Guys, now I'm speaking with Uriang. You can understand the area also.
Let's go.
Now I video bane to. Jebo now I video bane ni hina to. Makro bike buti na ya chumuni bazar na. Bo sakau baise berai lai na cho. O se nai de o. Nai de. Jebo jo ana re video na bane nai. Ana cho sakau ba thonai. Now I video bane ni ta ke berai lai tinai cho. Guys, subscribe kiri, bana share kiri, comment kiri, like kiri.
There's one goddess temple out there, which is Durga. We'll visit there.
Guys, this is some salad. This is some zombie.
We'll take chop, boiling egg. After the samosa is there, and different item is there. All the items one will test. So he is ready to eat. Bad luck, guys. Here also no electricity. This is the boiling egg. This is chop. So first, what to eat? No. Egg, take egg. With egg, with cheers. Cheers. hot or this? Enough.
Guys, no entry. Just in Sumoni Durga puja.
Sukanto Club. This is the Sukanto Club.
Citizen made by the
Rainy. And this is the light.
see guys. Up and down.
Somehow nice, but no means lots of people and that's a beautiful somehow.
The train.
Lots of people.
Pants like unique. Sini.
We are the unique. All the people they are dressing up nicely, but we are coming here with short pants, no problem.